So the day is finally here. So I told you that all of you have to wait till Monday for the surprise. So students, the surprise is here. Now please understand, if you're a NEET aspirant, every material that we provide you, every resource that we provide you is actually a surprise for you, because you are a serious, preparing student, and I know all my Vedantu NEET English students are like that. So if you're preparing very seriously, anything that can add on like a cherry on the cake, anything that can boost your preparation is a surprise for you. So today we have brought about a crash course for all of you, that is especially all of you know how viral our DNA batches. We have lot of students from our DNA batch last year also, this year also. So we have finally launched the DNA crash course for NEET 2026, and the mode of language is going to be English. Now I know most of you are upset that ma'am, why you people not taking classes on YouTube, students? So we assure you that our classes are going to come on the crash courses, and it is also there in the batch, because we are not getting enough time to take it here. So that is why we have dedicated our classes for our crash course students as well as for our batch students, because that's a promise that we have given them, that we 4 teachers will teach you in the batch, and we are the 4 teachers. With that, we have additional help as well, because when time problem comes, so those teachers are also helping us. So we will be teaching in this crash course. Yes, your captor will be teaching. You already know about captor. You don't have to go more and beyond about him. So he's a physics master teacher for you in this crash course. With that, we will also have Shivan sir, who's also going to help us with physics as well. Then we have Pahul sir, who has 10 plus years experience in chemistry, and every JE student will definitely know Pahul sir. Even for NEET students also, some of you will know. He has finished his IIT in Bombay. Okay, and then we have Diksha ma'am, whom I don't have to introduce. You already know Diksha ma'am as well. Then you have myself. I'll also be part of this batch. Baswa sir also will be part of this batch. So these are the teachers, and the batch is going to start on 10th December. Yes, you have very, very limited time in your hand to take the crash batch. Now students, what are the features in the batch? I'm going to tell you in few minutes. If you want the link for it, it is in the description box. So make sure that you are looking through the link, so that you know that what are the things that I'm supposed to know, how much is the price, can I afford it, all these things will be dealt with you in the link itself. So just click on the link and just see the details. Before that, let me tell you what are the features that you're going to get in this batch. Okay, what are the features that you're going to get in this batch? First thing, students, you're going to get live classes from your teachers. That is, your favorite master teachers are going to take live classes for you. With that, you're going to get instant class doubt solving, and now we also have Ved added to our batch, which was not there previously. Now we also have Ved. So any doubts you have, you can ask Ved. And after your test also, if you want to do any kind of analysis, Ved is going to be there with you. So you can ask Ved. Okay. Live quizzes are going to be there in class itself. As we are completing one topic, live quizzes are going to be there, where you are also going to get your leaderboard. That is, you are going to see how much speed, how many questions have you covered, and you will be at a race with the other kids, and you can ask any of our batch students. This is one of the beautiful things that students love. They love doing quizzes. Okay. After that, you're going to get access to Tatva books. That is, you're going to get the PDF form of it. Not just Tatva book, you're going to get access to 500 plus other ebooks. And students, the best thing about this batch, especially when you're preparing right now, one main problem that you face is you do not know where's the part test, or you want to customize your test. That, ma'am, I've studied these chapters in physics, these chapters in biology, these chapters in chemistry, but there's no one who can create tests for me. In this batch, you have that option also, where you can customize your test. That is, you can select the chapters that you have completed, and you can select if you want a easy paper, medium paper, hard paper, number of questions you can select, the number of time, the time that you want, you can select, and you will be able to customize your test as well. And daily practice papers are going to be there, and access to pedagogy app. In this pedagogy app only, you're going to get 500 plus ebooks. Regular assignments will be there, where you will have class tests, and every Sunday is packed for all my students, because they're going to write part test and full test. With that, you will also have a Telegram access, where you can put regular feedback of your classes, what are the problems that you're facing, everything you will have. Plus, you will also have mentorship with us as well. Okay. Now, these are the features that you're going to get in this app, students. And please ask, this is how the live classes are going to be conducted. Yes, it is on a bigger screen. Live classes are no more going to be conducted on small screens. And you already know that one thing that we offered in this batch was that you're going to get same YouTube experience in this batch. That is, you are going to get a larger screen. So you're going to learn it in a big way. Okay, so the classes are going to be like this, where you will have instant doubt solving. And students, here you can see, can you explain in detail? So since Ved is also there, Ved is going to help you, that any point of time you feel very hesitant to ask your teacher, you can ask Ved that, Ved, I have doubt at this point of time, please help me, and Ved is going to help you with it, which is a add-on feature which all my students are going to get in, crash batch. In class doubt solving, post class doubt solving. Let's say you are a student who missed the class because of any XYZ reason. After class, you have a doubt. Obviously, I will not be available live. So that time what you can use, again you can ask Ved, telling that I have doubt at this point of time. Ma'am told glycocalyx. What is glycocalyx made up of? That kind of doubts you will ask, and Ved is going to give you the doubts. Plus Ved is also going to give you the videos that are related to that topic. So you can check out that. Ved can also give you around 20 to 30 practice question if needed. So this is going to be ultimately free for all the students who are choosing the crash batch. Okay students, so I think all of you are already excited about all of this. Now look here. What you're going to get in your Tattva PDF, you will have graded exercise, bite-sized video lectures, PDF solution, concise theory and concept videos, and also previous year questions. These things also will be available completely for free, students who are buying this batch. Otherwise, we give it at this price. Okay. So now students, see here. Other than that, you are going to get VBuddy. Here, what are the features? You are going to get concept videos, repository is going to be there. So let's say you are a student, and you know nowadays NEET, a lot of controversial topics keep coming, and you will be like, ma'am, I really want to practice JEE level questions. I want to watch JEE level videos. So entire one-shot repository of all the teachers of Vedantu is going to be available for you on VBuddy. It's not just Gopika ma'am, Basava sir, Capto or Diksha ma'am. Every other teacher's videos are also going to be available. So you can watch any teacher's video at any point of time. So that is your VBuddy, which has one-shot lectures and interactive in-session quizzes as well. So these are the features, students. Pedagogy, as I already told you, the best thing I feel like if I was a student, the one thing that I would love is the ability to create my own test. Just select the chapters that I have studied, select the number of questions, select the time that I want, and then I will do the test. So that is one thing that I feel the YouTube students suffer finding, and that is why they keep asking, ma'am, please give us PDF of PYQs, please give us question. And during the busy schedule, teachers skip that, and sometimes they will not be able to provide. But you will not have to wait for any teacher. You will not have to wait for any, AI tools to help you. Here you will have Pedagogy app where you will be able to customize your own test. So please make use of it, and you will have latest edition of so many other books, not just Tattva books, maybe Diksha publications, any other publications you want, they will be having it. Okay, like Rapid Biology, 100 plus questions, XM plus. So lot of books are going to be there, and I've already showed you these videos before as well. What is available? So set of 500 plus ebook and bite-sized videos are also going to be free just for the students who are taking our crash batch. Okay. Other than that, daily practice questions are going to be available for you after the class. So take a quick test, physics, chemistry, math, physics, chemistry, biology, and you can just start writing the test, and after that you will get an analysis of how much time you have taken for each question, how much you could have reduced, what you could have done. All that also will be available for you right in this. Okay. Now students, see here, Vedantu daily assignment, where you will find it, you will be able to find it under, after classes there will be one option called assignment. Under assignment itself, you will be able to find the VDPPs, where after finishing your class, you can do the practice questions, and all these things is just made so you people can, prepare better. So just imagine you invest on a batch, and that batch has everything that you have been waiting for, YouTube teachers to give you. Everything will be in this batch. So this has been curated with so many teachers thinking day and night that what would benefit our students, what would benefit a NEET aspirant. So that is what we have given here. Chapters test that is based on your daily assignment, that will also be provided. Analysis, this is the best part. Again, Ved is going to help you here. That is, it is going to tell you that these were the easy questions and why you did not solve. What kind of a person you are, like that is, you are a perfectionist. Let's say you solved 15 questions, but all the 15 questions you got full marks. So that means you're a perfectionist, but you are very careless, or let's say you are makes a lot of silly mistakes. All this will be spotted out after your test analysis. So this is also available for all of you. And students, we will also get your Telegram channels where you will get, your toppers list, and where we will message you, and also you will get a group of friends who are going to, talk to you. So I'll tell you, my DNA batch students are very, very close. They have a discussion group every day. They ask question. Any doubt while they are, practicing, they will immediately put the question on the Telegram. That kind of things these students do. So I feel like, you should take benefit of this, right? You should take benefit of this. Now students, see here, if you missed any session, let's say you missed any session, then you will not have to wait for anything. If you miss a session, you can go to replay and revise the entire thing. So that way you will not be like, oh my god, I missed the session, now I have to wait for the next video. No, you can always go for replay. With the replay, the notes also will be available. So after replay, you can also go and check out the notes as well. So students, biology 40 plus sessions, chemistry 40 plus session, physics 40 plus session, total of 140 live sessions are going to be there. 3 to 4 sessions per subject per week will be there. And these are our 2024 results. You can already see how much mesmerizing results we have made, and you always know that Vedantu always makes results. Not just in NEET, our our Ekalavya batches, our Olympiad batches, everything is going to, and it is after a lot of hard work. It does not come just overnight, students. It has come after a lot of hard work. And all these students have also made us, very, very happy and very, very proud. So this is what you're going to get. This is your DNA Crash. In DNA Crash, you're going to get all this: 140 live sessions, online test and 360 performance report, online test and practice, class assignment, DPPs, and Telegram channel. In the DNA Crash combo, the only thing that you're not going to get is you're not going to get printed Ekalavya NEET test series, which is one of our most best test series, which is made by our Ekalavya team. So that you will not be getting in this DNA Crash. You're going to get it in a DNA combo. So I would recommend you take this, because why so? Home delivered OMR sheets you're going to get, and you can practice it at home. Okay, all the test series will be present, and you can practice it at home at your own pace. And I feel like you should have a knowledge of bubbling. If you don't know how to bubble, then you are going to have a big problem in your NEET examination. Now students, ma'am, so much you told, ma'am. Now, what is the, price and everything? So, students, this is our Ekalavya test series batch, students. This was curated for him, and this is our last year's topper. 2025 paper, he was able to crack it so smoothly because of our Ekalavya team's test series. So, that test series will be available for you people as well, but in the DNA combo. Okay, DNA combo. Now, students, NEET crash course, okay, this entire book also, it's going to be available for you. That is where the NEET content is there, and this is mainly made for the crash course students, so that entire thing you can get it for very limited time. Just look here, this is the price for DNA crash. This is 4,999, and for DNA crash combo it's 6,999, and right now we have cut down the price to 2,999. Yes, it was planned for 4,999, but then we thought, okay, let's make it less for our Vedantu NEET English students. So the price is going to be 2,999 for our DNA Crash, where you're going to get live batch plus Ekalavya NEET online test series. And for DNA Crash combo, you're going to get live batch Ekalavya NEET test series hard copy at 4,499. That is 4,500. And I think students, 3,000 rupees for a crash plus a test series is super duper good. And let's imagine live plus test series delivered at your home. I feel it is a win-win situation now. So now it's up to you if you want to make this decision or not. Now I have come here to give you this information. We will be teaching in the crash batch. We will not be taking classes on YouTube maybe anytime soon, but we will be teaching on the crash batch because we have promised the students that we will be there, so we will be there. And students, any doubts you have, please let me know in the comment section. The link is in the description box, so you can all click on the link. And students, see here, this is the journey. So enroll now. The limited seats are there. December 10th it's starting. So I hope all of you will make the right decision. Quickly share this video with all your friends who are suffering to that last minute of the preparation. Make sure that you are sharing the video with all your friends. And if you want to make this decision right now, click on the description box. The link is there. You can enroll, and using UPI or any card payments, you will be able to enroll for the batch. Now the price will come back to normal after a few days. This is only for first 48 hours. After that, the price will come back to 4,999. So before that, make a decision, and see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining, students. I hope all of you are super duper excited. See you all in the next video.